Well, what if I say you, to get over this corona crisis, we have to get infected with it? Well, it sounds foolish, right? कोरोना से बचने के लिए कोरोना से इन्फेक्ट हो जाए. In this video, I'm going to discuss how we can get over this corona crisis and the practical way which can work for us. Hello guys, welcome to Inspired Fitness. I'm Sanjeev. Well, I'm really sorry for not posting video for so long. I'll make sure कि वापस ऐसी problem ना हो. There were some technical issues due to which I was not posting video. So, starting off with today's video, the biggest challenge which we are facing right now is to balance our economy and our health. अगर हम किसी भी एक के लिए जा रहे हैं, the other one is getting affected. Well, so what is the solution? If we are staying at home, we are compromising our economy, our income, and if we are going out, our health is getting compromised. So, what is the solution? Well, today I am going to discuss one of the most practical and effective way which can work for us. So, the most effective way which can help us to get over corona crisis, we all know, is vaccine. Well, there is also another important thing, that to develop an effective vaccine, we need at least 2.5 years. Because आज तक की सबसे fastest vaccine जो develop हुई है, it has taken 3 years. So, we can expect कि next 6 months में we will be having vaccine. So, what can we do till then? हम घर पर तो नहीं रह सकते, हम इकोनॉमी को तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर सकते. द मोस्ट प्रैक्टिकल एंड इफेक्टिव वे इज हर्ड इम्यूनिटी. वेल, व्हाट इज हर्ड इम्यूनिटी? इम्यूनिटी के बारे में तो आप सबने सुना ही होगा कि इम्यूनिटी क्या होता है. वी आर गेटिंग इम्यून टू सर्टेन थिंग, सर्टेन डिजीज, सर्टेन वायरस. हर्ड इम्यूनिटी क्या होता है? Well, in herd immunity, what we are doing is we are allowing the virus to spread in a controlled way in a certain country, area or city. Well, उससे क्या होगा? The people will get infected to the virus and they will recover. And whenever they recover, their body is immune to that virus. मतलब अब उस वायरस का उनके बॉडी पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं रहेगा. या अगर इफेक्ट होगा भी तो they will recover much faster. Well, coming to the technical aspect of herd immunity. Herd immunity achieve करने के लिए हमें क्या-क्या technicalities पर ध्यान देना होगा? Well, to achieve herd immunity, we have to make sure कि वायरस जिस भी एरिया, कंट्री, सिटी और certain town में फैल रहा है, 60 to 70% people are infected with it. Well, it sounds really dangerous. It's really difficult to execute this, but if we plan, if we are having a proper planning, we can achieve this. There is one more important thing, R0 factor. Well, R0 factor is nothing but which help us to define the rate of infectious, how infectious the disease is, वो disease कितना ज़्यादा और कितनी जल्दी फैलेगा. The R0 factor for coronavirus is between 1.8 to 2.2. Well, in some areas it's even more, और किसी एरिया में ये कम भी है. So, what does this R0 factor mean? Well, R0 factor कम या ज़्यादा होने से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? When the R0 factor is 2, it means one person will infect 2 others and those 2 will infect 2 others. तो ये चेन बनती जाएगी. Well, there are other diseases which are having R0 factor of even 5, 8, 10, 18. The measles disease is having R0 factor of 18. Well, it means one person can infect 18 others. It sounds really scary, right? कि एक जन 18 लोगों को infect कर सकता है. But in the case of coronavirus, it's between 2 to 3. This doesn't mean that we are going outside and getting infected to the virus and hoping that we'll recover. This is not the right way. There are certain roles and responsibilities. The government officials and the healthcare department has to make sure we are having enough resources. Just in case, if the cases goes out of our hand, we are having enough beds and medical facilities to treat them. Well, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए that people are coming to the hospital to get treated and they are not having enough beds or they are not having enough medical facilities. Well, there has to be a proper plan. Well, there are certain challenges because there are certain age groups, small kids, pregnant women and aged people who won't be able to fight with this virus. Well, we have to make sure they are not going outside and they are not having the direct contact with the outer world, because ये 3 age group ऐसे age group है which might get infected with corona badly. So we can't take any risk. So to achieve this herd immunity, there has to be proper planning and execution. Well, ये अगर scenario हमारे हाथ से निकल गया, there can be a disaster. Well, there must be people who must be thinking कि ये बहुत stupid plan है to go for herd immunity. मैंने भी जब खुद ये पहली बार पढ़ा था तो I was also one of them कि ये काफ़ी risky plan है, हमें इसके लिए नहीं जाना चाहिए. But आज नहीं तो कल we have to go outside. We have to achieve this herd immunity. अगर वो हम if we are not going for herd immunity, we have to make sure कि हमारे जो cases है वो 0 हो जाए, like one of the country New Zealand, जहाँ पे लास्ट 20 डेज से कोई भी कोरोना पॉजिटिव केस नहीं आया है. इफ वी आर एबल टू अचीव दैट 0 नंबर, वी माइट नॉट गो फॉर हर्ड इम्यूनिटी, बट आज नहीं तो कल वी माइट go for herd immunity. In my next video, I am going to discuss about the points which are in the favor and against of herd immunity. So thank you for watching this video.